Today, we're going to walk through a quick tutorial on the different things that you can track on your analytics dashboard on Yodel. So to get to this page, it's the very first option here on your left bar menu. And you're going to see things like how many upcoming events that you have, how many views on your events and your schedules. And then another cool feature is the views on your events is also given to you in a graph format. You can adjust the date range too if you'd like. And another feature that you can track is how many favorites you have. So as you can see, this organization has multiple different schedules, and I can hover over any of them to see the exact number of favorites that they have. But let's say I want to see not only how many people are favoriting, but who. I can select this overview option. It'll give me a little bit more information, such as how many upcoming events are on that schedule. But let's say I want to break it down to a specific one. If I select that schedule, there's also going to be a stats button on there as well. So if I select stats, this is going to give me a list view of the different people that are favoriting that schedule. And not only can you break down the schedules, but you can also break down the views as well. So if I want to click on any of these, it'll break it down by the different events that I have, for example, and how many views each event has. So if you want to break it down by specific events, this is a great way to do that. You can even adjust the time frame as far as when you want to look at views. If you have any other questions as far as how the dashboard works, or if you're interested in learning more about it, or if you want additional information on the dashboard, reach out to our team. It is Yodel support at yodel.today. We'd love to hear your feedback.